morning. I was Emerson said, I got him some to us where the amount. Some other toss to the Fata South and Pabiana, Yachiniku at the Abrono. Kijo and Cassani, Erica Sidu Budam. If I send 7 cent pass, so I'm a Morta Guinness. I want to see a conconsa, Morta Guinness. Makacho, no matter the occasion, a Morta Guinness nest we use to a year wedding naming ceremony. And as I call him, Queen Besra, if you are man a mortar, a mood on San Casecoto. I animal pizza in a yidi man. So, see, Morta Guinness there, come upon there. Now, you best 7 cent pass to the Euro 2024, and then Chassis Germany and Scotland, and a day Bonnie. Germany, host nation, and of course, has sent be the Euros. Now, ya share before any BBA, and so at the ACO. Now, the rest of the fixtures over the weekend, after say, Germany at here, no other games, so because of this weekend, send the fixtures no AC at here. Well, yeah, screen so the Spain, among Sujinakono, and some get to a crater. But I fixtures now, this weekend fixtures no na Yehusan is here, and Hungary and Switzerland. Now for Spain and Croatia in Group B, where Italy and Albania. Now for Poland and Netherlands, so they are winning on Sunday. Group C, Slovenia and Denmark, and for Serbia and England for opening game. Basso and some get to acquire near Quasida. So Quasida, 3 games there, Basso, Sansona or Chenaso. 3 games. Etika Shannon Sosa, Famami Way, and Sanya Euros no fixtures no so now. Yanko match 34 of the Ghanaian Premier League near Sanya City penultimate round, and I had them on a EUBBA. Has special colleague in my son named Bechem United. We Sadafa. Now the coronation ever coso was Samana boy, Summertex, and agent with the Dendiana some get to Accra. So Bechem United also folk consider enough for Suja Park. Final push. I'm running crappy on a betcher. I know you see that's Legon City's the Gold Stars matches in a Baswa at 3 p.m. Asante Kotoko Nebofo and a day PM so Olympics the Archie for so many scout Bababori and the only game in 7 Basso say Mason running crappy on a betcher instructor man Nations FC. Among a debe buenina finish the Bricum Chelsea Heart of Lions, Media Mane Carella for relegation no. And when a central more than Sansona RTU and a fish no Olympics and has a focus on one corner. Summertex and a Carlions a coronation a Basso Quasida or Samana Boy into Beco Pimona, a BPMB and the 1 7 so they brought Dreams FC and the Adriana Stars and so on at the Bonnie or the Theatre of Dreams in 3 p.m. Quasida, like I said, on so once. But ahead of the games, you know, a league fishers no as a table no. AC at here ahead of the last games of the season. Summer test 58 points, possibly the 3 points that carry on there. Natchez and Kia primary school 58, 59, 60, 61. Next or the 50, 59, 60, 61 points, possibly over to media league. You know, so one to me, we now board drive 59. Or loses so 58 now the budget sans Carlions winning crown 54 on to me Emma Major League guarantee summer test are champions they can declare more weekend in the cup nation mo Adriana Stars tosomi and 50 points Adriana dem ho betima tosomi I season are second on the table. Bricum Chelsea 4th with 50 points. Mediema Tosu with 49 points. Nations FC Tosunsia 49. Became Tosun 48. In so Tomato Song 47. Asane Kotoko Tosun 46. Bibiani Gold Stars 46. Now, if it Dreams FC your Tosu Dubako, Echo see your Tosu Dungotre will be able to me a relegation. I don't know more than Papa Dreams there. I say the I down or send your che. Archie no mon internet on the way fan and wedi kakra but Heart of Lions na yi Legon Cities na yi Kerala na yi House of Folk na yi chese wo ase ofo ne Archie kwado kwada da fra yi fefre no but for na fish no Olympics na that red zone but the 50 Dreams FC ba nyina no e fan Heart of Lions kwra ba no because Dreams one Archie na but Archie is so na acquire something which is there so Dreams yanka say Dreams there afade amana na ade pacho Malta Guinness I'm going to see a conquer pay against some idea, bro. Malta Guinness. Malta Guinness. Yet, sorry. but bia no matter the occasion, no matter the awoye mota again is say basie na ase eye de nti and also ho asema no na yenkok songo steak and anopai songo steak countryman songo journey over Zoom na wade amaya sheshe no president say and they say ken ho shepa my man Mr. Patrick Osaje my countryman songo fantastic morning and dia na de man songo steak mo.
Yeah, a local league, fantastic morning. We look Ghana local league, I mean, paying for everything. To me, ama almost share said the Pija local league, almost share a bit my Pija local league, more she share be over. Make sure say the local league, more Pijana, I am more professional. Our talent improvement. So we have to be able to have a fantastic local league. You bet many players who mobile the various national teams, even to the extent of Black Stars. I mean, you've been fantastic talent. Local boys are almost a bit many foreign based players in the compete. I'm a Black Stars. I very competitive. I a winning team. We will need some local league, so more plans be demanded because local league need a both professional league, but a professional. And bad pitches, maybe I a ball, even coverage, officiating, very bad. And there are a lot of talk, negative surrounding results. Far local football, and football people should be very careful. No more to me, and say some no more local football. So more plans be at the man local league and because local football and Kasana or see a judge first. So more football ye, or more running football ye, or more map football I come I will Ghana. It's the local football. The league, Division 1, Division 2, Division 3, just say, all running local football year. I mean, the rest, national teams, you are just caretakers. And you taxpayers' money in the national team. If you running the national team, you should have, and they also to something, and you can say it's difficult. But the local football, and the Birmingham, we say, yes, so-called football people, administration, more football. And the local league, attendance quite bad. The supporters will say, Ghana for Crown ball because of bad officiating. And they obey team we, I did a match, we match fixing. We are going to league a bar because Mary, me say me call relegation, me free and I say me serious na mebo. He will be that. Uma is you have an answer motive. Enka Vincent Company. Enka ni team belly and you are English Premiership, but or you good coach into when you buy mini coach. A very great club like Bayern coacher or the team away or England and our families will make it. Because the English Premiership is very competitive. Now I don't think say yes, wabobo, wabono humode. And or a very professional. When we say bia me jame ho and I say me the match to check and I say me both face matches. I mean a normal kosu Ghana football, your local league, Ghana football, a normal kosu ye na Ghana. Top 10 countries women Bobo Africa, Yanka local football count. Yeah, more local football ni running ye sponsors way or mobile woman to maintenance no more because omunya mileage omunya send you musi pen or say ye discover montoye football people no my janisa bones sponsorship bar no withdraw or send me call men to us be no legality. Yeah. You understand? As a more running football, is be to more benefits. More Muka, Munyam Faso. But this is Ghana Football Association. The local league, yeah, boy. Or say RTU Kobo match. No Timika say, media, me players is so more. My sister players for Eddie players are married register almost Eddie Yama almost so more. Sanity and not saying sanity. Sanity and not saying sanity. Which is which? Sanity, I mean, it's Sanity about competitively, professionally. Sound your book competitive professional league. The FA must be up and doing. What I say, you should be listening to things like this. A normal suggestions, fire, a normal air bar, football will beat me up. Then say, I don't work with my enemies. I don't work with my enemies. I say, Obia your enemy when the person and Ben Chrome and I say the person is not siding with you. Obia one again today. And I have fact, your football in Ghana football, and you're the best. Ghana football, and you're the best. Say top 10 countries, Africa, top 10 football countries, Africa, and Ghana and Kanwa. I didn't just say Ghana football is the best. And I said Ghana football, and a fact. We hear Sebi, a Akumapat, any Nimdia, any Tumuche, say. Sikabia will be the best football in my year. You have a sponsorship with the Amal League, I'm a sponsorship and I'm a Sika, I will league, now league, now association. Now member says, no one telling us, so one, FIFA Mamuska, FIFA to me, Togo Fuska, say, or Mukobo Afro, because Togo national teams do this can go more withdraw. And I mean, FNU should help out you. Same Pocano, Omu study to your players. Omu players, you do Mukana month to say whatever month. No moon to me about league match, and also moon to me on a league match. What's the FNO? It to me a Piscabo out to you as a club. Because Omu association, no, but Shamu Emma scoreline by 8-1. Then Obia reading meanings into it. Say scoreline in your papa, say scoreline in your papa, say your match fixing. 10-year match fixing. I mean, professional league burn you bunny say. Professional league burn you running you say. Football people should be up and doing. Now your football no. Performer now perform. They seem who said they are doing well. They are doing well. The football. No, but I mean, local league ain't mean first come back. Local league, players more blasters. You need GDA confidence, more blasters in the various national team. Local league, coaches, you need GDA so much more coaching blasters, but you will trainer scout who is coaching blasters. You both local league Ghana, you could have coaches, a kukudama, Omudin. You need confidence on bit more coaching blasters, but a trainer scout is coaching blasters. It also local football yema. Sika sponsors them. Now a very professional, very competitive officiating this coverage. Send you see local league, come rescue the channel. Send you see local league pitch. It's just a office. I mean, they should be up. So more plans the Ghana football local league.
Right, thank you. Masongo, when it sounds like this, we are a Japan eba. Thank you for this morning. Songo's taking the break or nano pay, and I'll touch it on the Ghanaian Premier League. You heard the last games Nibesia Konya with me. Our studio and nano pay. And Nima beto screen is running for new face, and of course, Ghana for Fenepa. I had man Haiti Powers, and the Banana Haiti Powers for the first time in the promotion in partnership with Mr. Daniel Kufia. We see I'm on the bounce here, partner, Baswanya, some Ketra, but I see Kumajin Quakunum, and Yamana Mecca, Penifumi, you know, I had them on the chain what is happening, or the Buku boxing arena. We are from Mama Kwaba.
Thank you.
Good. And Powers are now very cheap, But who say belt ticket out? Media Maccabi, but one Gasamun Sisubium, Diana Ecoso.
You come on the 29th of this month.
29th June.
29th June. The boxing bout Kessie, Ghana for or Bukum Boxing Arena. Now, a more main bout near. Ernest Akushi,
okay,
popularly known as Baobali, only soldier boxer, okay. Elvis Ahoga.
Right, and see, now I IT Paris promotion, yeah, IT Paris na money promotion organize about, sir. Wow. Now, apart from Omono, other boxers Benson and Bekwanda cards, or
okay, apart from Omono, we have Freezy McBones,
okay,
Oni Ibrahim Labaran. We also have the return of Jatabi. Jatabi has been out of the game for some time now, but he's coming back massively.
Wow.
Aside that, we have other boxers like Michael Aban, we have Eric Colley, Daniel Otu, name them. Apart from the main bout, yes, I were 8 other bouts.
What my Powers so briefly. Powers and Crawford train what check. Where then I chess and feel the promotions aba.
You say promotion so very easy. Say Utnas now drink before Ubeba. And say drink no now Ubeba. Say you can't do it. So you have to think. Then when you come for good.
Go. Just a plan and come. You have to plan for.
Yeah,
I say they what retire.
Me, I don't retire. Even maybe my next 3-4 promotion, maybe I'll fight.
Sir.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, that's nice.
And I want to fight, and the only boxer I want to fight is Frazy McBones because I want to test him.
Oh, person testing Frazy McBones.
Oh yeah, I want to test him. Yeah, the way he's fighting, I want in Ghana, yeah, apart from Buko Banku and Basti, I think nobody. So 3 of us, you have to test us.
Not just or you're heavy.
Or you're heavy, yeah. But on Tessie has now, on feeling my boss is a good boxer, but I want to see whether it's true, it's good or not.
But not just no on there. I want to be to
on face attack, what can come. It's on facing.
Wow. But because I experience any day, they say age kakra ni wafa and because what jakwa so nyaye. But Freezy is too fast. Freezy has energy, no.
That's why I'm saying that Freezy is too fast. Freezy is too what. My name is what can come. So I'm waiting for him.
Yes, after we know, so you ever heard him say to me, see. Wow. Mr. Osi, can person go for to my buy free and I say motor tickets.
There be your standard tickets near 50 cities.
50 cities, okay.
And ringside so 100 cities. I mean, obet me contact here now. Tickets are ready.
Okay.
And also on the D-Day, ticket will be at the gate.
At the gate. But say gate na hina umbeti manyabi. So wa gate no person to answer no aba.
There's a short code here. Me pese me de tuja.
Okay.
And to say o pese o ba. Now short code ni *713 *003 hash.
Okay, Pastor Jansi subiem.
Okay, so *713 *003 hash.
Okay.
Wait me at
ticket. Man, ansani ebe koro my powers. What ben wenya ta promotion there by what is the support you have gotten amount me yet?
Oh, for now they have no support. And I know as time goes on support will come itself because you have to start for people to see that you can do it before people will come. For now there no support.
Mr. Osi partnership now they started for the meantime. All right, I wish me I in a longer, but because of time, maybe some last words and Saniako. Anything person they count.
Well, the catch the general public ni so munina mumra because fight be a more shipper and for the past 2 years these 2 boxers my challenge and promoters are trying some bear fight no but to me but 80 powers boxing promotion yet me aye into 29 will be amra mumrantem na mumbe enjoy because musicians so
sad attractions
they
wow.
Yes.
Wow. Right. I know the Kosaite Powers promotions, but of title next camera mami.
Yes, we national super middleweight belt.
National super middleweight
belt. Yes.
Okay.
The one who will take this title, we are going to prepare the person for the world because we have no world champion.
Okay.
So these are about no Achiagbeshi. Ping. If you know you are strong, come and fight.
But yes.
That's all.
Ping. But I'm one good fellow now. Money no partnership.
Yes, of course. Game TV.
Oh, okay.
One TV network. almost support to you.
Okay.
In fact, when we started this thing, and of course, they've been of good help.
Okay.
Till now.
Oh wow. Wow. You better say Adom TV promotions and you am for an inchimo Bukum boxing arena on the 29th of June. Kwama High Fair. I say no what? No my mara ite Paris. Or baby items of my sound bite now. Madam as a summer journey, I was yes, but I say Morta Guinness can one pay now, and I will can see Braille or bedroom. So Kijuan Cassani, Erica see anybody. What's her bedroom?